Hi everyone, I am Dr. Raj. I am very happy to interact with you all through this video. In this video, I am going to detail a concept titled Online Marketing, its advantages and challenges. These are all a couple of details related to my career. After you watch the full video, if you find the video beneficial to you, give a like to the video and do subscribe my channel if you have not done it so. Advantages of online marketing. Empowering effect. That's the first advantage I have listed down. One of the advantages of online marketing is related with its enabling effect, especially on small businesses. Since internet can extend market reach and operational efficiency of small and medium enterprises, said by Dolokia and others. In fact, Internet creates a kind of democratized environment in which marketing has been restructured in such a way that even small businesses are given a good chance to promote and brand their products on a much more larger scale. It should be, therefore, Internet has created unprecedented opportunities for small businesses to engage in national and international marketing campaigns, which could have been unaffordable due to the huge amount of resources required, said by Poom and Jevons. In this regard, it is worth mentioning that email marketing, blogging, launching websites, etc. are among easily affordable interposted channels that can provide small businesses with the ability to survive and compete. The second point of advantage of online marketing is elimination of geographic barriers. One of the key advantages of online marketing is that it removes all geographical limitation from the practice of buying and selling. So internet allows an unlimited global reach at an outstandingly lower cost, beautifully said by Allen and others. Therefore, due to massive cost of traditional media, global reach was once the exclusionary realm of huge multinational corporations. But the advent of cost-effective internet technologies has enabled even smaller businesses to enjoy this kind of reach. Overcoming the geographical barriers, marketers are now able to present products and services to different groups of consumers across the universe with a simple condition that they have access to internet. The third point of advantage of online marketing is 24 hours, 7 days availability. Internet now can provide customers with the timely information due to its availability of 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Beautifully said by Lane. So due to the establishment of online shops, customers are now able to acquire information and shop online any time of the day or night they wish and prefer. So there remain no time limitations in this regard because online businesses have no special closing and opening times. People may visit physical markets after searching internet, or they can surf internet for competitive prices after visiting physical stores. Beautifully said by Sharma. Besides that, there is no doubt that online purchase is more convenient since there is no need to go out of home, visiting different stores and take the burden of comparing different products and prices physically. The buyers can do their shopping much more effectively from the comfort of their homes. Needless to say, a lot of time and energy is saved in this way. The next advantage of online marketing is cost effectivity. It goes without saying that compared with the traditional advertising media channels, which are very resource consuming, online marketing via internet is clearly cost effective and can accomplish its objectives at a fraction of cost, said by Paul and others. For instance, it is obvious that the cost of launching an ad online is far less than placing an ad in a magazine or on a billboard. The cost of establishing one's virtual presence, networking with other institutions, and communication with the consumers is significantly very low. Consequently, internet marketing enables the companies or business organizations to save their resources, and it is an aspect which is highly appreciated by companies since the online marketing campaigns do not require massive investment. The next advantage of online marketing is trackability. Another aspect of online marketing is its possibility of tracking. In fact, the trackability of internet marketing is one of the greatest assets. Internet enables measurement of everything taking place on it. So the number of clicks that a particular promotional campaign or piece of advertisement receives an amount of website traffic is also easily measured. In this way, the marketer is enabled to track the visitors to her or his website and understand their behavior as well. Internet also allows the companies to find out whether their campaigns are working or not, what kind of customers are interested in their products, and from where they are accessing the online promotional campaigns. The ability to track online customers increases dramatically due to the fact that internet constitutes the most accountable media ever. Website log software and real-time profiling track the number of users who view each page of the promotional campaign, or location of previously visited pages, date of view, time of view, duration of viewing, links followed by the viewers, and so on. The next advantage of online marketing is personalization. Personalization, which comes with customization, is another important aspect peculiar to marketing online. So online marketing is a personalized marketing, which is also called to segment of one or one-to-one marketing, said by Peppers and Rogers. But what is personalization? Personalization refers to tailoring products and services to customers' preferences based on their online registered purchase history. In fact, since electronic interaction with the customers allows the gathering of detailed information on the needs of each individual customer, firms can automatically tailor products, make products and services to those individual needs. This process results in offering more customized market offerings to the customers. In this way, customers are sent personalized messages which produces much greater impact compared with the impersonalized or generic messages that were sent indiscriminately to the mailbox of customers. Personalization results in formation of sustainable and long-lasting relationship with customers. The next concept to be discussed is nothing but challenges of online marketing. The first challenge of online marketing is problem of integrity. One of the major problems with marketing campaigns is that they employ several offline and online promotion channels such as press, brochure, catalog, TV, cell phone, email, internet, social media, etc. While lack a comprehensive, harmonizing marketing framework, each item is used in isolation and accomplished as a different task, not as a component of an integrated marketing campaign aimed at realization of specified and particular objectives. Perhaps this deficiency can be compensated for by taking a holistic approach which synchronizes different traditional and internet age modes of marketing communication as moments of an integrated structure. With respect to virtual or online component of an integrated marketing, what is also worth noting or reminding is that like offline marketing, all aspects of online marketing are inextricably linked and in many cases they are interdependent. Therefore, none of the elements of marketing should stand in isolation. The website will never be visited if there are no links to it. Virtual marketing requires email or social media websites to communicate the message, and search engines are useless without websites to link to it. So, it is that in any internet marketing strategy, all components must dovetail together. The next challenge of online marketing is lack of face-to-face contact. Lack of personal contact is another deficiency of online marketing, which has been addressed in online marketing research and literature said by Goldsmith and others. Internet transactions involve no embodied personal interaction, and that is why some customers consider electronic modes of providing customer service impersonal and enjoy the experience of shopping in a physical store. They prefer to talk to the store personnel in a face-to-face manner, touch the related product with their hands, and socialize with other customers as well. But in the case of virtual marketplace, it cannot provide for this function of offline shopping and lacks personal interaction. To be more specific, for the types of products that rely heavily on building personal relationship with the buyers and sellers, such as the selling of life insurance policies, and the type of products that require physical examination, internet marketing may be very less appropriate. The next challenge of online marketing is security and privacy. Information privacy is among major topics to be taken into consideration in today's evolving electronic world. It is clear enough that nowadays customers' data can easily be shared with other companies without asking for their permission. Moreover, their more crucial personal data such as usernames and passwords are not immune from hackers. Very beautifully said by Lantos. Another related problem in sparse and pop-up ads, which considered by majority of online customers an instance of intrusion of privacy, said by Drake and others. These security and privacy issues are among challenges in the way of online marketing. Perhaps effective internet marketing therefore depends on resolving the related problems in this regard. The major dimension with respect to privacy is a choice or consent. This dimension has its roots in this belief that consumers whose data have been collected by the respective company should have control over the ways in which their information is used. Especially, they should also be granted the right to have control over how their personal information is used beyond the purpose for which the information was collected. The next challenge of online marketing is lack of trust. Closely related with the problem of security and privacy is the issue of lack of trust on the part of the customers, which has been recognized a great challenge on the way of online marketing growth. Bart and others define trust in virtual environment as follows. Online trust includes consumer perceptions of how the site would deliver on expectations, how believable the site's information is, and how much confidence the site commands. Today, despite the rapid growth of online transactions, several people still mistrust the electronic methods of making payment and still have doubt whether the purchased items will be delivered or not after making the payment. On the other hand, prevalence of online fraud has made customers to hold negative or doubtful attitudes towards online transactions. So much more clearly remains to be done to build up the trust and convince the customers that interactions which take place in the virtual world are as real and honest as those happen in the real offline world as well. No doubt, it is an ongoing long process and needs more time to realize. It should be stressed that unless this trust has not been built, internet marketing cannot be taken advantage to its fullest potential. So it is imperative for those in charge of online marketing to understand the reality of the new virtual world. One of the prominent realities of this new world is that today trust and customer power have partnered to revolutionize marketing. Marketers and IT managers are challenged with the task of changing the online climate in order to gain and retain online consumers. This has generated tremendous interest in learning about online trust and in developing new site designs to respond to the increased power of customers. Thanks for watching this video. I hope I have done my explanation to the best of your understanding. I'll meet you in another video. Bye for now, everyone.